Hello, everyone out there. My name is Ogunfe. I am a civil servant. I work with Nigerian Rail Corporation. I learned about DMSI on YouTube. Since I came here, the whole course has been engaging and at the same time challenging. All I just advise everyone outside there is that without them coming for a course like this, they cannot be what they will truly be in the marketing world. And I want to advise everybody to please make sure that they make DMSI their destination to acquire skill as regards digital marketing, which is the in thing now in Nigeria and the world at large. Thank you.